In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok shadow ban. Now, TikTok shadow ban basically happens if you have violated their terms and agreement, you have posted something you shouldn't have. They don't actually tell you that you have been shadow banned. Your videos just keep getting less and less views than you used to. So the first thing is just to create a whole new entire account and just re-upload all of the videos back to the TikTok account. And to upload it without watermark, go to the browser, just type in download TikTok, no watermark, click on this snaptick, upload your video and you will download it without the watermark. The next thing is just to actually keep on posting, because usually TikTok shadow bans you for around 1 to 3 weeks and then they follow your progress and content you've been putting out. So just try to stay in their terms and agreement and everything will be okay in a couple of weeks. Now, of course, you can try things like trendy music, trendy styles, dances, or whatever to maybe get you back on the right track. Or just go to your browser, type in feedback TikTok, click on the first link, and then give them your email, username, topic, and how they can help you. Enter that you think your account was shadow banned with no reason, etc, etc. Submit it and then just wait for their reply and see what happens next. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.